Hey JR, so some of your job names, right, were listing like way too many different things. So either it's going to be the name of where they're going or the actual address of where they're going. If it's a residential or MI lot, I think the easiest is to tell them or name the job after the address you're going. So if you look at this one, for example, lot 2505, 340, 60, Bislet, Prep, and Sod, like that isn't how we're going to name jobs. So if you're not sure how to go in there and change the name of the job, you just go to jobs, job list, and then lot 2505, search. So I'm going to go in this actual job itself. You go to overview and it says all of this stuff in the name. So think when the guys are searching the name, like this is super confusing and doesn't need to be added. Now, if you want to you want the lot name in there in case there's not the address, that's perfectly fine. That's in the notes, so on and so forth. It says the square footage, again, perfectly fine. But I don't want all of this in the actual name. So the name is simply going to be the address, 3460 Bislet Court. You don't need what you're prepping, the amount of sod, any of that in the name. Okay, so you're just going to reset both of these in the overview to 3460 Bislet Court. It's that simple on there. So you put the job name and the short name in there. So I'm just going to copy and paste both of these in there, and then from there I'm going to hit save. And now when I go back to schedule and calendar, if I show the month, the job name is just so I'll have to re-add it. So notice it's not going to change all of this. So I'm going to end up deleting this one and adding 3460 Bislet Court. Okay. So again, it doesn't change any of this. Delete this job schedule, delete this day, confirm, so on and so forth. And I'm going to insert, same thing with this one. 24, like I'm not sure why this is in or quotation marks. Like, is that the lot? Is like what is that? That can be confusing for the guy. So I'm just going to add work to the schedule. Add work, one-time job, 3460. Maybe. And it shows up right here, 3460 Bislet Court. Next, task name, like the task name shouldn't be added to this either. So this should be prep and sod this amount. So I'll end up going through and changing the task name as well. So travel and loading and this, select calendar, CID, manager is you. Next, that's going to end up being tomorrow. I think Junior was on it. And it adds it to there. Yes. Okay, so now we have should have that on there. Refreshed. I don't think I saved it.